Kisha, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
It's good to see you.
It's same. I watch you all the time.
Well, are you gonna become part of my YouTube channel right now? Thank you for
Oh,
jumping
wow.
on. Okay, so what I would like to know, I would like for you to tell everybody what just happened with you inside of your first 5K.
Okay. So I was actually like just browsing. I came because I haven't like checked the channel out and I said, you know what? Let me actually go to see what's going on while I have time. And lo and behold, you had this post up there. And I was like, okay, like let me check out this. Let me check it out and see what it's all about. And while I'm watching, I'm getting like excited. I'm like, I can do this. Can do this. You're making it sound so easy. And I was listening to it and I was taking notes.
Yeah.
And my brother called me and he interrupted. I was just so irritated because I'm like, why somebody always gotta call me like in the middle of when I'm trying to concentrate?
Yeah.
So he's like, "What's going on?" I was like, I'm in a process of learning something." And you were saying like start with warm leads and everything like that. And
Absolutely.
it wrong. It just hit me right there because I know that he has a business, but I didn't think to like, that's my brother, you
Exactly.
know?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I was like, hey, you need a website, don't you? He was like, got time for all that technical stuff. He was like, these cars, they come, they go, I get them. He was like, I don't got time for all of that.
Because he sells cars,
Um,
right? He sells cars. Yeah.
yes, he goes to the auction like every 2 weeks and they bring like a carload of cars back and they go like hotcakes. And but a lot of time he misses business because like when he's out on those runs, there's no way to contact him.
Mm.
So the light bulb went off when I was like, wait a minute, I can make a website for him. I was like, you need this? He's like, I don't got no time for that. I was like, I got you.
Yes. Because let's
So,
back up a moment. The post you were looking at, what video was it about?
okay, so it was a video you was explaining about how to make $300 using a simple skill,
Yes.
a simple skill. And you broke it down to where like it was just like a no-brainer. Like you gave the prompts, you had the tool. All you had to do was basically copy that, put in a few small details. I mean, the work was actually already done for you and put it into Lovable and there it is. You just
Yeah.
had to like put those little simple details in there and customize it towards the customer that you wanted to um get with and
No.
everything like that.
And your
So
brother calls while you're in the middle of taking notes on this 40-minute
yes,
workshop. You're in the middle. He
yes,
calls, you see you identify a pain point for him that he may not even realize is happening. You offer it to him, and then how long did it take him to say, "Yeah, I'll pay you 300 for this"?
like right away. And
Because you
like
made
right
it for him.
away,
You showed it to him.
yes. So not on the call, I was like, I got something for you. And I was
Okay.
like, I'm gonna make you a website. And he was like, okay, game on. Right.
Mhm.
So he didn't expect me to do it that quick.
Ooh.
So I went to his Instagram and his Facebook where he has the cars. And I think I did it in probably like 2.5 hours because it took time for me to like get pictures and the
Yeah.
details from
Yeah.
ChatGPT.
It's a skill. It's a
And
skill that you're doing. That's why you're getting paid for it. It's time and a skill. Mm-hmm.
yeah. And I sent him the link. And when he seen it, he called me immediately. And
Whoa.
he said, I want it. And I was like, well, I'll give you like 48 hours. Like, test it out and see. He was like, I don't need to test it out. I need this.
How did that feel when he said that?
I was actually blown away more than he was because I thought he was gonna say like something like, well, let me see if it works. And,
Mm,
I just thought I was gonna get a little bit of pushback
yeah.
because I just, it's family. So,
Well,
but
people like he's an entrepreneur, you're an entrepreneur, it sounds like. And when people see this is actually going to help me with customers or with retention or with conversion, any of these pain points that we all go through, it's obvious. And it really is that's you're not selling like a landing page. You're selling, let me fix a bottleneck for you. Let me fix a problem for you that you don't have to worry about. I got you. Right? So amazing. So you did that, you made 300. Are you going to do more?
absolutely. So the thing is, like after seeing his like that next morning, he said, I know somebody that may need one as well.
Ooh.
And I was like, wait a minute. Arlen told me to like make sure you have your website up first because I didn't even do that yet.
Mm-hmm. That's a good
And
problem to have. You sold before you even had it. But it's true. I say in the workshop that's free that everybody, I'm going to make sure it's linked and everybody can see it here. Um, you want to represent yourself as like look at my page and my page looks great. Like if you were doing LinkedIn and you didn't have a good LinkedIn page, why would somebody pay you for that, right? So it's like,
absolutely.
yeah, yeah. So you went ahead and made one or you in the process?
Well, I'm in the process of it now because I wasn't expecting it to happen so fast.
Love it. Love it. Yeah, get that as
Yeah.
soon as you can. Now, did you hear about the hackathon we're doing June 3rd and 4th?
Absolutely. Signed up. I'm in 360. It's everything. It's everything.
Oh man. So the hackathon we're doing, we're all going to be together. It's a 48-hour hackathon. I'm going to show people how to do what you just did, but how to do it on repeat. And we're going to have fun together. We're going to have some special prompts that I have that's going to make it even easier. Like it's going to blow your mind, these prompts. They're going to make it even easier to find people because people are like, well, who do I even sell this to find people and to make the sites, the different AI tools that we have. And it's June 3rd and 4th. So what I did was it is included in the 360 pass. If you have that 360 pass, that's the gift that keeps on giving. Okay. And it's just $99 if you don't. So tell people why they should join. Like, why were you excited about it?
I was excited because, first of all, I was ready to pay that $99 anyway.
Yeah, because you just made 300, right? Because you know it works. That's so true. I think about it all the time. I'm like,
Absolutely.
man, I'm giving so much value in this 360 pass.
And you said it too.
Mm,
You said it. You said like, like throughout the year, like you was going to add to it. So
yeah.
I was just like, like a lot of stuff that you do, it winds up like if you follow it, you could definitely benefit from it. So being a 360 member, when I got to the end of it, I was like, what? I have to pay for this? So I was like super excited. And I even actually put it in my community. I posted
Oh,
it up and I was like, hey, you guys need to be in a room.
I love it.
So
You were on the website for the hackathon that we are linking
yes,
below. And you were
yes,
about to pay the $99 because it was a no-brainer to you. And then you read
yes.
that it's already included in three. I love that. Okay, that's helpful. That's helpful to me. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Even if you can't be there live, there are gonna be replays and you'll be able to do the things that we're doing together. But that live kind of feeling is
Mhm.
gonna be fun if you can make it. And
Yes.
then what would you say to people who have been watching the videos? Like they've been following along, they maybe even watched the whole workshop, but they didn't get started yet. What do you say to them?
There's no time like the present. Like, somebody that you're not even thinking about. It can be a relative, anybody that you know with a business that can
Mhm.
benefit from this. And if you just follow the steps and do not overthink it, believe me, it will put money in your pocket unexpectedly. So just don't overthink it. Just do it.
I
Just do
love
it.
it.
It's so worth it.
I love it. Love it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna let you get back to work because I know you're doing wheeling and dealing, but thank you so much, and I'll see you inside of the membership.
All righty. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.